Could you tell me about the benefits of the Pay360 projects that have been introduced so far?
Yeah, so I think the benefits to Westwood and to the staff at Westwood is just more automation. It's just an easier payment system for our staff and our customers to use. Basically, the idea is that we remove a majority of the staff involvement with the payment process, which in turn frees up more staff time to do other things that they need to do. For our customers, it's bringing in a more easy payment system to use. So we're just looking at making it far easier for our customers and our staff to be able to take payments and make payments.
Could you tell me about the main features that have been introduced with Pay360 so far?
Yeah, so the two main features that we've introduced is we were really keen to kind of get a replacement system in for our telephone payment systems that we've been using. The CallPay system that we've been using previously is probably a little bit outdated. So to bring in two new telephone payment systems has been really, really helpful. We've brought in TouchTone, which is a completely automated system for our customers. So it's linked to our incoming telephone system. They just need to press 1 when they come into the telephone system, and then they're prompted to enter their card details, enter the amount that they want to pay, enter their own details, and make an automatic payment. And then that is automatically posted onto their rent account. So it's a seamless telephone payment system that doesn't have any kind of staff involvement in. So that's something that we're really, really pleased with, actually. The other system that we've brought in is called Secure Digital Plus, which is a system that enables staff to create links for customers to follow. So customers get sent a link either by email or text message that the staff member populates who they are, how much the payment is and what the payment's for. And then instead of taking that person's card details over the telephone, the customer is prompted to enter their own details into like a web page form. What it does is it takes away the customer having to provide us with their details. So it's far more secure for our customers because they know that they're not sharing their payment details over the telephone with us, which they may not be keen on doing, but also more secure for our staff as well, because they're not having that conversation with the person over the telephone where someone's card details are shared. Over the next 6 months, we're basically looking at replacing any way that someone makes a payment to Westwood Housing with a Pay360 system. So that is as far from replacing kind of our PayPoint post office cards with barcodes that Pay360 will provide. It's implementing a new online payment system that will be linked to Westwood's My Account, and it's replacing direct debits as well. We're also looking at kind of new ways that people can make payments as well. So we're quite keen on bringing in a system where staff will be able to use mobile card machines to take payments. So they may be on supported projects, they may be with housing officers or arrears officers that go out and about on site. So instead of having to signpost people to different systems that they're able to make payments with, staff can take that payment there and then. So we think that's going to be really, really useful as well. So a complete kind of move to the Pay360 system and different ways of paying.
What do you think the single biggest benefit for the customer and for our colleagues is, respectively?
The new systems that we're bringing in provide more choice to our customers. So there's more systems that people are able to make payments by, which is obviously beneficial. But I think actually the systems that we're bringing in are far more simple for our customers to use. They're far quicker, they're far easier, and also they're far more secure as well. The thing that's been really pleasing out of the Pay360 systems is that they require far less staff input. And that's something that we've been really keen on bringing in is actually freeing up staff time from the payment systems, whether that be that more people are able to use the automatic system, so that frees up hub time, or whether that is that we're able to bring in a system where payments are posted onto rent accounts automatically rather than having to be manually input into rent accounts. It's just it's really helpful to be able to give staff that increased free time so that they can do other parts of their job.